You sup? Pinch punch first day of the month. So, today's video, I thought, what better way to start, it's basically 2021. I know 2020 hasn't been the best year, but it's been a really good year for me. You know, I started my first series, started my real true series. I know I do reaction videos, but that's not a series. So I just wanted to thank all the people that like watching my It's Me or the Dog videos, and all the people that share nice comments, likes, and all that beautiful stuff. Okay, so I just wanted to say thank you. Glad you stuck along, partner. The aggressive American Bulldog.
Tonight, Victoria Stilwell
Full screen.
Oh
God.
Toward visitors is terrifying.
Oh dear.
I'm very frightened of him now.
And his possessive behaviour is literally pushing his owners apart. Victoria must get the owners to control.
They were just about to kiss, and he was like, why are you kissing her? Is there food in her mouth? There must be food in her mouth. I didn't think. Oh yeah, also, I always forget to do this. I said in one of my videos I was going to start doing shout-outs. Now, the first shout-out of my new shout is the Aftermarket MLYT. So yeah, guys, let's just get back into the video. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's going on. This month just feels like it's going to be a very unorganised month for me, which is kind of not unusual. I'm very unorganised.
To control their dog before the unthinkable happens.
The unthinkable?
A dog that is jealous and aggressive.
Oh God.
If given a chance, this dog will attack.
So glad he had that suit on, and I'm sure he's glad as well. See his look on his face, he was like...
Neil, Kelly, and their dog, Jed.
I like Jed again. Oh!
Neil is in the Navy and bought Jed for his fiancée, thinking he'd make a nice, cuddly guard dog for her while he was away at sea.
He's a very big part of my life when Neil's away. He's my boy.
I love my dog. I made a video about my dog recently, like my dog. But I'm not one of those people that treats their dog like their child. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not one of those people that buys stuff close to their dogs and stuff. I'm just not that kind of owner.
Jed is an American bulldog,
Oh,
bred
God.
to protect and famously loyal. But the bond between owner and pet has grown so strong that Jed now thinks he's the man of the house. And when Neil comes home, Jed has some very strict house rules. There'll be no kissing,
Oh,
no
God.
cuddling on the sofa, and definitely no hot loving in the sack.
Jed, down. Jed does ruin my sex life.
Come on outside.
But it's the
Needed to know that, bud. He's like, I hate my dog. Why would he do? Did he kill your family? Did he eat your other dog? Did he destroy your house? No, he ruins my love life. Relatable, dude, relatable.
role of protector that Jed takes most seriously. To Neil and Kelly, he's their lovable pet. But to any visitor coming to the house, he's frightening.
I get stressed, big time. 1 minute he's fine, next minute whatever clicks in his head. He just goes on defense mode.
I think Victoria can help this dog. It's just, I've seen many a dog. Many of dogs. And they've had serious problems that the owners have said, I don't know if Victoria can help me with this problem. And you know what? Victoria helps them and it changes their lives. So you know what? I am going to put a wide chance to say this is going to be very hard for Victoria. But I would never say that she couldn't train a dog because, like, she's amazing.
He lunges forward and snaps.
Oh my god.
Jed's now so aggressive that even Neil's mum and dad dread coming round.
We are concerned about the dog because we don't want to walk in there and the dog bite us.
This aggressive outburst is the final straw for Neil's mum.
I just feel as though the dog's ripping the family apart, and it makes me very sad.
Oh, that is horrible.
Jed's aggression really is
Not nice.
in a controlled situation. Two visitors put on protective bite suits and enter the house. Jed is wary of the visitors, and as soon as there's any contact with Kelly, he attacks.
Jed! Let go. Release Jed. Jed!
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Awakening for Kelly.
Look at his...
The protection is now starting to get to aggression. Someone's going to get hurt.
There's a
I'm
difference.
afraid that Jed will really bite somebody because I know that if that happens, then it'll just be taken away from me. It would destroy me. So.
Neil and Kelly now realise they must do something.
And now you guys realise you must sub for part 2. That was really bad.